Hey guys, this video is going to be a little bit different today. It's just more like an update video. We are moving. That's right, we are moving locations. If you have been keeping up the vlogs, you guys may have noticed that we have 2 locations. We're actually moving this location to the buy shop soon. So what does that mean? It means that we kind of want you to help us move. What? We don't want to carry all of this to our new location. We're going to be doing specials on vinyl wraps, specials on tint and Clearbra. So if you want to do any tints, any Clearbras, or any vinyl wraps for your cars, hit us up. We're trying to use up all of our rolls so then we don't have to carry them because they're super heavy. Like, let me just show you guys how heavy one roll is. Camera. One roll is 30 freaking pounds, and just look how many rolls we have. This is just one wall, and that's just vinyl wrap. We still have Clearbras too, and tint, and they weigh just as much, if not more.
There's no way that can be right.
Here are some of the vinyl wrap colors that we have. Any color you guys see here, we're willing to do a special on. We're just trying to, like I said, make our moving a little bit easier. Let us know what color you like. The only color that we're not going to be doing a special on is obviously the Nose Tech, because this is super limited edition, but everything else is pretty much up for grabs. Same thing with tints, so whether it's a window, a couple windows, all the windows, just let us know. So get some great deals on tints, Clearbras, or vinyl wraps, or all 3 at the same time. You're helping us move, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. We will see you soon.